My today's shoot is at Maligaon Railway Stadium, where the 73rd Republic Day function is going on. So during that phase, I have captured some moments of the whole event, and what I want to portray is that out of this big event, how you can compose the more needful pictures, and you can sort it in your way to depict the rules of composition. So let's start that journey with pictures. As you see in the image which I have captured about this cultural troops artists performance, you can take a huge frame of the whole group, but at the same time you should search for options for better pictures. These pictures are actually applicable when you compose the frame as per your need to capture the mood, to capture a frame with the rules. So that will give a different feel to the image. You can take an average shot, but after some time I searched for some moments and got this lady who is leading the team with her harmonium play, and got this shot which is more meaningful, which is more enthusiastic to relate the subject. So this way you can compose your frame for better pictures. In this particular frame, what had happened is that all these dancers of Bharat Scouts and Guides, they were performing, and the beauty is that it's a huge group which is performing, but out of that you have to search that mood, you have to feel that frame with the impression of Republic Day celebration. There are colors, there are tricolors impressions on their dresses, and also the impression in the backdrop. So whatever is around, you have to think about it while you are composing the frame, and the frame should be geometrically more meaningful, and in that case where you see the use of particular balloons are also there, which are also forming that particular graphical composition of circles, and along with that you can see the expression of the people. So that expression adds value to image. So all these things are happening around, and you have to get those shots. Apart from that, I have captured some shots on the road while I was coming, and on that road what I have found is that a lady was sitting on the pavements of a pathway, and she is having a national flag in the hand. But following that particular national flag, when you are actually promoting the whole event which is going on, in that case you can frame on the basis of the rule of thirds. On that particular rule of thirds, there are 4 points which are called golden points. In those points, if you place your subject and follow that journey, you can give a feel to your image. So that is also possible while the lady was sitting on that corner, and it has been followed. So with this particular adjustment in the frame, you can caught those moods and moments of Republic Day which are actually meaningful and give your picture a value. There are certain shots which are not well, which are not good, which are not framed in a better way. So these are mistakes, because sometimes you won't get space, or you are not lucky enough to capture those things, and that gives a different feel. So there are certain rules of composition. So while you are framing, or while you are capturing some moods of a big event like this of 73rd Republic Day, always keep in mind that your subjects are plenty, but the way you have to capture that, you have to think. And if you can capture the mood, if you can capture the subjects well, then your images will come with clarity and value. So let's enjoy photography, covering the events in a better way with better compositions.